Welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn logical operator. Logical operator. So there are two types of logical operator. One is logical AND operator and second one is logical OR operator. So logical AND operator. What is logical AND operator? Logical AND operator. Logical AND operator. Logical AND operator we denote by ampersand ampersand. This operator returns true. This operator returns true when both conditions are true. If both conditions are true, then this operator return true value. If any one condition is false, the operator result false. For example, condition 1 logical AND operator and condition 2. This expression will return true if both condition 1 and condition 2 will be true. Okay, here is some one note, which is if condition 1 is false, then it will not check condition 2 and it will give result false. It means if we are checking two conditions by using logical AND operator, and if first condition is false, it will not check second condition, it will give the result. But if first condition is true, then it will check second condition as well. Here is a sample example to show the logical operator. Here what we are doing, we are initializing four variable a, variable b, variable c and variable d. The value of a is 10, but value of b and c is 20 and d is 0. So let's check. Here in the if block, we are checking this condition, a less than b. A is 10, b is 20. So a less than b is true. So this condition is true. Now logical AND operator, then second condition is b equal to c. B is 20 and c also 20. So this condition as well true. So the result of this expression is true, true, true and true. The result is true. So our control will come in if block. So this expression will execute. D equal to A plus B plus C. So the result will be stored in the D. So if you print the D, the output will be 50. So the output will be 50 because this if block is true. That's why if block is executing but else block is not executing. If the condition false, then else block will be execute. So let's I show you on Eclipse IDE how this program is work. So this is our test class. In this we are defining four variable, int a equal to 10 comma b equal to 20 comma c equal to 20 and d equal to 0. Okay, now we are checking one condition, if a less than b, if a less than b and b equal to c, then it print sum of d equal to a plus b plus c. and print the value of D. Okay, if this condition is false, then print false false condition. Okay, now run the program. So you can see the output is 50 because this if block is executing. But what happen if you check the second condition, like A equal to C? Now the result of this equation A equal to C is false. First first condition is true, but second condition is false, so the whole result will be false. So this if block will not execute, so else block will execute. If you run this program, so you can check the false condition, it means else block is executed this time. So in the case of logical AND operator, if any one condition is false, the result is false. Now what is what we are doing? B equal to C, but here we are changing the condition A greater than B, which is false. In this case also the if block will not execute because this A greater than B false. But in this case the control will not check the second condition, it will get a false in the first condition, then it will not check the second condition and give the result false. So the if block will not execute, else block will be execute. Okay, I hope you understand. Now go for the next concept. Okay, logical or operator. Logical or operator is denoted by two pipes. This operator returns true when one of the two conditions are true. Means if there are two conditions and if any one is true, then the result will be true. If even one of the two conditions are true, the operator results true. To make the result false, both the condition need to return false. Not if condition 1 is true, then it will not check condition 2 and it will give result true. Okay, let's see an example. Here you can see we have initialized the four variable as same which we have initialized in our previous example A, B, C and D with the value 10, 20, 20 and 0. Now here we are applying or operator. First condition is A less than B, which is true. A less than B, true. Then or operator, B not equal to C, B not equal to C, false because B is equal to C. So this is false. This is false. But in the logical or operator, if one condition is true, the result will be true. So this if block, these all the condition will true. So if block will be execute. So the result will be sum of A plus B plus C. So the output will be D. Okay, let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. So here now we are using logical or operator and here what we are doing, B not equal to C. Now you can see only one condition is true but second condition is false, but the result will be 50 with A less than B. The result is 50. To execute the else block, both conditions should be false. Now the both condition is false. A greater than B, which is false. B not equal to C, which also false. Now if you will execute, the result will be false condition. In this case, else block is executing. As in the logical AND operator, only one operand is checked. If first operation, first execution is false, then it will not check the second one. In the same case, if first one is give the true in case of logical OR operator, it will not check second condition. It give the result as a true. Okay, so I hope you understand about the logical operators. So thank you for watching this video lecture. In this video we have learned the logical AND operator and logical OR operator. Logical AND operator and OR operator is mostly used in the programming. Many times we use in the programming to check the condition. So it is important operator. In the next video we will learn ternary operator. Ternary operator. So thank you for watching this video. Watch my next video to learn ternary operator in Java.